We can all agree there's nothing worse than bad coffee in the morning. With a filter designed for coffee water, you can clean up that weird taste in the water. That's why our experts researched and reviewed the 5 top-rated water filters for coffee. We'll explain the differences between each model so you can have barista-quality coffee right at home. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall option is the Waterdrop D6 Remineralization Reverse Osmosis System. The Waterdrop D6 is a complete under-sink RO system, able to purify up to 600 gallons of water per day. The 6-stage filtration process reduces 1,000 plus kinds of harmful contaminants in your water to ensure healthy and clean water for every occasion. But what makes this system especially suited for coffee water is that it comes with an external remineralization filter to add beneficial minerals like calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium for the perfect tasting cup of coffee. We especially like the designer faucet that is designed with an integrated smart display screen to display a real-time TDS value and filter life so you know exactly when to replace your filter without having to look under the sink all the time. The faucet is made with lead-free brushed nickel, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen countertop. With a large capacity flow rate, you can have your glass of water filled in less than 8 seconds to have your coffee ready in no time. But the Waterdrop was also designed with an impressive 2-to-1 drain ratio to ensure that you save water on bills, making it a sustainable product for the environment. The tankless design is easy to install, and it prevents bacteria and viruses from building up. When it's time to replace filters, the horizontal pull-out design makes replacing the filters easy and takes just a few seconds. It only needs to be done once a year. Here are the pros. Tankless design saves space, and it's easy to install. Adds beneficial minerals for the perfect tasting coffee. Purifies up to 600 gallons per day. The 6-stage filtration process removes over 1,000 impurities. And the cons, filters do need to be replaced every year. Slightly more expensive than less comprehensive options. At number 2 is the best pitcher option, the Peak Water Pitcher Starter Pack. Designed specifically with the coffee lover in mind, the Peak Water Pitcher Starter Pack is manufactured in the UK using the highest quality materials. The filter itself is crafted with recyclable materials, BPA-free plastic, and a fully regenerable filter resin that can be recharged and reused. The best part is that while it's removing impurities from your water, including any form of carbonate hardness, bad taste, and odors, the filter is also ensuring beneficial minerals are retained so you get healthy barista quality water right at home. The 13-inch Peak Water Pitcher has a capacity of 1.2 liters, enough to fill 3 to 4 cups of coffee. Included with the kit are 2 test strips to test your tap water at home, so you know the precise filter adjustments necessary to create the perfect water for your brew. The knob on top of the pitcher makes for easy adjustments that work to filter out or retain the minerals in your water. Since everything comes with a starter kit, you need to get going right out of the box. Setup takes just a few minutes. Each filter lasts between 60 to 120 liters of water. You can have cafe quality water without the wasteful, expensive bottled water. Here are the pros. Allows you to adjust the filter settings for your specific tap water. Retains healthy water minerals for perfect tasting coffee. Made of recyclable, BPA-free materials. Includes 2 water test strips. And the cons, filters need to be replaced every few months, but you can subscribe and save on your replacements. Smaller water capacity than some alternatives. At number 3 is the best distiller option, the Co-Z Countertop Water Distiller. There's a debate on using distilled water for coffee, but the bottom line is distilled water creates some of the purest water possible. If you're short on space or simply looking to get a portable water distiller, then the Cozy Countertop Water Distiller should be your top pick. The Cozy Countertop Water Distiller can distill up to 6 gallons of water per day, making it the best choice at the home or even in the office. Through the distillation process, 99.9% of chemicals, VOCs, and other contaminants in your tap water are all removed. As an extra line of defense, the Cozy Distiller includes an activated charcoal filter to remove any remaining unwanted harmful minerals, giving you fresh and clean water in only minutes. It's manufactured with 304 stainless steel interior to withstand high heat and avoid any forms of rust, making this a product that will last for years. To keep the system from overheating, it comes with a built-in fan condenser with an automatic stop button that shuts down when the water is too low or reaches a temperature of 320 degrees F. To ensure your safety, the seamless design is always leak tested. With the elegant brushed finish, the Cozy is easy to clean with the included cleaning detergent. Additionally, the big 1-gallon glass vessel works as a pot or a cup, which makes the Cozy Countertop Water Distiller the best coffee water distiller on the market, period. Here are the pros. Removes 99.9% of harmful water contaminants. It's durable with food-grade stainless steel. Distills up to 6 gallons of water per day. Easy to clean with no installation required. And the cons: lower water capacity than some alternatives. May need to supplement with a remineralization filter like the Third Wave Enhancer. At number 4 is the best faucet mount option, the Brita Faucet Water Filter System. Brita is known in the water industry for creating the standard when it comes to compact and portable water filter systems. The Brita Faucet Water Filter System is built to attach to any standard faucet, making it one of the easiest to use water filter systems. Using the latest technology, the Brita can filter out over 60 harmful contaminants and 99% of lead, chlorine, odor, and more. This filter can be replaced easily with a simple lock and close click while you place it on top of the faucet. And with a replacement lifetime of over 100 gallons, you don't have to spend a lot of extra money on filters after it's installed. The filter indicator will conveniently remind you when it's time to make a change. The high flow rate of 1 gallon per minute means you can fill your cup or coffee maker in only a few seconds. Available in white and chrome colors, the Brita is designed to be one of the most compact water filter systems on the market. It comes with a 30-day guarantee and includes one filter when you purchase your system. Here are the pros. Filters 99% of lead, chlorine, bad taste, and odor. Provides unlimited filtered tap water on demand. Filter lasts for about 100 gallons. And the con: it does not fit pull-out or spray-style faucets. At number 5 is the best remineralization option, the Third Wave Water Mineral Enhanced Coffee Brewing Water. Looking to get the perfect cup of coffee early in the morning with a minimum of effort? The Third Wave Water Mineral Enhanced Coffee Brewing Water consists of healthy minerals like magnesium for natural sweetness and healthy calcium levels for optimum coffee water. You can even choose between classic, dark roast, and espresso roast profiles to get the perfect match. The Third Wave Water Mineral Enhanced Coffee Brewing Water is the best water filter for coffee for the ease of use and at an affordable price. The product comes with mineral enhancer packets that can be mixed with distilled water to get that perfect blend for coffee. One profile pack stick can dissolve 1 gallon of water in under 5 minutes. Third Wave Water Mineral Enhanced Coffee Brewing System works to enhance that balance of compounds of low alkalinity and acidity to enrich your morning coffee with the right taste and aroma. Third Wave Water Mineral Enhanced Coffee Water Brewing Water eliminates issues such as lime crystals or white solids that gradually form on many coffee makers. This makes it one of the best coffee maker water filters with zero maintenance and installation. Here are the pros. It comes in multiple flavor profiles for different types of roasts. Protects your coffee maker from limescale buildup. Reduces bitterness with perfect chemistry balance. And it's very simple to use. And the cons, does not filter harmful water contaminants. Works best with distilled water. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discounts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.